For this project, we'll need some various spring stems. So I had picked up these pretty flowers. This part I got, it's real big and bushy. Then I got these little accent, kind of off-white flowers for the back of the arrangement. I picked up this really cool vase. It's actually going to match similar vases I have in my dining room already. You're going to need a foam block. And then these two, not sure which one I'm using, kind of for fillers or spillers at the bottom. Not sure if I need my floral wire or floral tape yet. Again, so this is what I'm going to use to make the project. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got a box cutter and I chipped away at the foam block, cutting off all the corners. And so now I have a piece that fits nicely right at the bottom of my vase. So far, I ended up putting an extra block of foam in there because I wanted the back piece up higher. So I've stuck in these two stems. Alright, so that's the finished product. I'm going to put it downstairs and kind of fluff it a little more. Alright, so I placed it in the dining room. So it's kind of the centerpiece there of my buffet. So I think it turned out great. So here's a closer look. So I have the little fillers at the bottom there and then up into the flowers. I do think I may want to pick up a little gold butterfly or something from Michael's. I think it'd be a nice finishing touch. But again, I think the vase and everything looked good. As you can see with those gold votives I had next to it. So looks great.